How to upload an album on SoundCloud. So if you want to upload an album on your SoundCloud, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go and search for SoundCloud and go with soundcloud.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and click on the profile section. Once you're on your profile here, you will have an option of albums. You need to click on albums. And from there, you need to go with upload now. And now you need to upload your audio files. So go with choose files. But before that, you need to have a paid plan. SoundCloud currently does not allow full album uploads under the free tier. So you'll need to subscribe to either the Artist or Artist Pro before proceeding. Once you've successfully upgraded your account, you'll unlock the ability to upload albums without the limitations that comes with a free plan. Or you can also just simply go with the free plan section and then go with choose files and go and select your audio files. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.